Hello! Today is Wednesday the 19th of March. It's day 17 of my trip and it's also the last day of this trip. This morning I'm still waking up in Angers. I'm leaving today, so I'm packing my bags and taking them with me. As I'm carrying my bags the entire day, I have planned to spend the day outside. Luckily, the weather is beautiful and warm enough. So this is the Congress Center. Jardin des Plantes, so that's the plants garden. First, I'm starting with the plants garden. I have plenty of time to visit it. We've got rabbits and goats. See the animals, have lunch. And then I even spent nearly 2 hours just reading. It's 2 p.m. Goodbye Plants Garden. Now it's time to slowly walk towards the station. On my way, I want to do a quick tour of the Jardin du Mail. And let's continue towards the train station. That's it now. I'm in the train going back home to Rennes. and now I am back home in Rennes. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it, and I hope that you also enjoyed the rest of the series of videos. I truly wanted to visit those 4 cities, so that's Le Mans, Tours, Poitiers and Angers, so I decided to do them all at once. So I'm like super tired now. I'm going to spend forever just editing all the photos and videos, but I really hope that you enjoyed this trip as much as I did. That was great. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you tomorrow in the next video. Bye!